How to check app installed date on your phone. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can check app installed date on our phone. So let's just dive right into the video and find out how to do it. So if you want to check your app installed date on your phone, these are the methods you can follow up. For that, you can go ahead and open up your available app store. For Android, it is Play Store. So you can go to Google Play Store and you should be finding this interface on your screen. Now from here, you need to go to this option called your profile at the top. And from here, you will be finding this Manage Apps and Devices. Just go and tap on it. And when you go over there and go over to Manage, you should be finding all of your apps here. So here you should be finding all of the things like when it was updated and downloaded, etc. So for example, let's say you can find this in Drive. It was updated in 4th March 2025, which means it was also downloaded during that time. Otherwise, you can go ahead and look out for other applications as well. You can just go ahead and tap on it. And when you do that, it was last updated on this date. So this is how you basically find out when your app was updated or when it was installed on your device. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.